Today, we are directly going to learn how to find the area of a rectangle. The area tells us the total space inside a flat two-dimensional shape. To calculate it, you must multiply the length of the rectangle by its width. For example, observe this rectangle. It has a length of 6 units and a width of 3 units. To find its area, we apply the formula area equals length times width. So, we multiply 6 units to 3 units. These calculations give us 18 squared units. Remember, the units of our area is always square units because we are measuring the two-dimensional space. Now, apply this method if a rectangle has a length of 7 units and a width of 4 units. Calculate its area. You simply multiply the length by the width to get the answer. To solve multi-step math problems, precision in each step is crucial. Think of it like building with Legos, where each piece must fit perfectly. Let's tackle an example, finding the total cost of 3 shirts at $12 each, plus a $5 shipping fee. Step 1. Understand the individual parts. First, identify the cost per shirt, which is $12. Second, recognize the number of the shirts, which is 3. Lastly, note the additional shipping fee, which is $5. Step 2. Calculate the cost of the shirts. To find the cost of the multiple shirts, we use multiplication. We multiply the price per shirt by the number of the shirts, which is $12 times 3 shirts. That gives us $36. This gives us the subtotal for the shirts. Step 3. Add additional cost. Now, incorporate the shipping fee. We add the shipping fee to the subtotal of the shirts, which is 36 plus the shipping fee $5 is equals to $41. Therefore, the total cost of 3 shirts with a $5 shipping fee is $41. By breaking down the problem into the manageable punctuated steps, identifying the component, performing the first calculation, and then completing the final calculation, you can systematically solve even complex math problems with accuracy and confidence. Welcome, mathematicians. Today, we're going to become master of finding the area of rectangle. Does everyone remember what areas means in simple terms? Exactly. Area tells us how much flat space is inside a shape. Think about covering your bedroom floor with carpet. The area of your floor will tell you how much carpet you need. Now, let's explore how to find it. Inputting a rectangle in your shared screen. Okay, I have questions for you. How many little squares you do think will fit perfectly inside this rectangle without any gaps or overlaps? Take a moment to visualize it or imagine placing those squares units. Fantastic! Now, how did you get that answer? Did you count every single squares or did you find a quicker way? Excellent observation. You just discovered a secret to find the area of efficiently. We'll multiply the length by the width. Okay, let's try this. For our rectangle, here, the length is 6 units and the width is 3 units. We multiply 6 units times 3 units. What is the answer? Perfect. And because we are measuring how many square feet inside, your units is square unit. So the area of this rectangle is 18 square units. Remember, the square part is super important because it tells us we're talking about 2 dimensions. Now, it's your turn to be the area detective. I'm going to draw or display another rectangle. Okay, what is the area of this new rectangle? Use your formula, which is the area is equals to length times width. Type your answer including the correct units in the chat box. Don't forget the score units.